Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to show search bar in Windows 10. So this is very easy to show. So first you need to right click on your taskbar empty area and click on search, and you see this option show search box. So just click on it. So you see this search box is showing. Just a simple right click on your taskbar empty area and search bar, and you click on show search box. So it's very easy and simple method. So thanks this thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.